Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to add your Apple Cash to Amazon in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Apple Wallet and select your Apple Cash card. Once you're on the Apple Cash screen, tap the three dots in the top corner. Now scroll down and tap on card number. You'll be asked to authenticate with Face ID. Once you're in, you'll see your Apple Cash card details like the card number, expiration date and security code. Make sure you have this info handy. Now let's head over to Amazon. Open the Amazon app or website. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom, then go to your account. Scroll down and under the payments section, click on your payments. Next, tap the add button next to cards and accounts and select add a credit or debit card. Now enter the Apple Cash card details from your Apple Wallet, including the card number, expiration date and security code. Once that's done, tap add and continue to save the card. And that's it. Now you are checking out on Amazon, you can use your Apple Cash card as payment method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one with a new fresh content.